Hello YouTube, today I'm bringing a simple tutorial all about nails. For me, I'm lazy and cheap, but I love nice things, so I'm going to show you how to get professional looking nails for about $6. Turn these nails to these. What you will need is a nail kit with a nail file, nail clippers, etc., nail extensions that I got from Walmart for about $6, and a nail file. I chose square short for my nail extensions because they're easier to work with. First thing you want to do is wash your hands and clean under your nail beds. Next, I am cutting my cuticles down just for a cleaner look, but this is not necessary. Next, I push down my cuticles. You can soak them in hot water for a few seconds just to soften them up so it won't hurt as much. But I was, again, lazy, so I didn't feel like doing it. Next, I buff my nails, and this helps the glue to adhere to the nail bed better. Then I file down my edges to give them a smooth feel. And if you do file them, make sure you go in one direction. This helps with chipping when you finally take your nails off. You can cut them if you like, but I'm trying to retain length, so I chose not to. Once your nails are buffed and filed, wash your hands to get rid of the excess dust. Now that your nails are prepped, it's time to fit the nail extensions. I have irregular nails, so I have large thumbs and some of my fingers were broken, so the nails are kind of like misshapen. So it's very important for me to keep track of which nails go to which finger. As you can see, I'm matching the nail extension to my nails, making sure that the nail extension covers my full nail. I put them in the line from thumb to pinky, and I believe I put the right hand extensions on top of the left hand extensions, just to make sure that when I'm actually about to glue my nails on, that everything is prepared and I know where everything goes. The nail extensions does not fit the way that I like it, so I file the extension section by section in small amounts. This ensures that you do not take too much off and that it fits perfectly to your nail bed. Now let's apply the glue. The glue dries pretty fast, so it's important to know which nails go to which finger and that it fits the way that you want it to. You want to apply a good amount of glue to cover the whole nail, but not so much that it goes onto the skin. I usually do a cross design, so one line horizontally on the top of the nail and then a vertical line all the way from the cuticle to the tip. One by one, fit the nail extension to each finger by gently pushing the extension to the cuticle and lay the nail flat and straight. Hold the nail in place for about 6 seconds and this will give you the best look. You want it to appear that the nail is actually coming from out of your cuticle. Repeat for all nails. Once the extensions are on, focus on filing the edges of the extensions to ensure a professional look as much as possible. You want to make sure that none of your nail shows and that it just looks clean and prepped. As you can see here, I'm actually buffing the nail extension. I do this because I feel as though when I go to paint the nail, the paint adheres to the plastic way better. Now the last thing to do is to paint your nail the color that you want. And of course I added rhinestones because I'm a bit extra. But yeah, overall this took me about 30 minutes and that includes, recording and whatnot. Now you're all done. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.